Hi guys, welcome again to Wendy Style. God bless you guys. I appreciate you all. Today we have this easy natural short hairstyles for black women. And this hairstyle, as you can see, is a popular haircut for the naturalists and is a cut that's easy to maintain, easy to style. It can be slept on without even messing up the coil pattern. And one thing about this look, it really combines, that flat waist details like to really give you that beautiful short haircut you want. And it's a haircut that don't require much heat product, more heat equipment or too much product. So if you're really blessed, sorry for that noise please. So if you're really blessed with curly hair and you really seek that low maintenance hairstyle, please try one of the short natural hairstyles for black women we have for you guys today, because you can see this haircut, a hairstyle that will take many years of your age, and is a haircut that will suit all black women. So for those trying to figure out new and trending ways to really style your short natural hair, I would advise you guys to go for this beautiful haircut. You can see is a hairstyle that is lovely, and it will look best when you let the coils have this little bit of frizz. So you can see you don't have to overuse any gel or any hair cream or product, and it's a modern and trendy style that will make the most of your natural haircut pop. One thing about the styles is that it's a haircut that will suit every individual personal style, and it's a cut that will always turn eyes whenever you are out there, because it's so attracting, and it's a fashionable haircut that can be styled as creatively as longer hair. So those styles, you can see, are so cute, and you can see how it gives that air of elegance. So it's a haircut that is easy and quick to style. And one thing about the style too is that it really works great for women with fine or thinning hair. So with this in mind, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. Let me know your minds on how you feel about those haircuts. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers. God bless you guys, and stay love for the Wendy styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way. Bye, and see you guys in my next video.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh, I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I am the Lord, I'm not a man. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. am the God of all flesh. Oh, no, no. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanya Nabakubaraba. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light. My burden is light. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, my God and my Father. Bless your people. Take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Oh, 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 le, le, le. Oh.
Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit, I am lighted by your word. Yeah.
I reach a breath of life. That's how I call my life. That's how you change my